Welcome back to Mile High Living Primetime. Now we're going to tackle an important topic: when to call a federal criminal attorney. Federal charges can be daunting and downright scary. And in today's climate, it's crucial to understand the moment you need professional legal help. Because the earlier you involve an attorney, the better they can protect your rights and navigate the complexities of the legal system. So tell us a little bit about yourself and what drew you to practicing federal law.
Yeah, I live in Evergreen, Colorado with my beautiful wife and 2 kiddos. The things that drew me to federal law are, 1, it's where the stakes are the highest, and 2, it's incredibly complex, and it's where you need a fighter in your corner. And so I really went to federal law after I cut my teeth, maybe working on some less serious cases in state court.
And can you explain the difference between a federal attorney and maybe, let's say, an injury attorney or family law attorney?
Absolutely. So those are different skill sets. I would never claim to be a personal injury attorney or a family law attorney. But the biggest difference that I always describe between a state law attorney and a federal law attorney is the state law attorney is someone you call them when maybe you have a problem with the DUI, maybe there's some issue with the local district attorney. A federal attorney is the person that you want to call when the stakes are the absolute highest. You're fighting for your life, and it's one person versus the entire United States federal government. And so you really need someone who can bring the experience, the skills, and the proven track record of winning to your case from the beginning when you're facing things in federal court.
Can you walk us through what it's like to be served with papers and then what that person's immediate next step should be?
Absolutely. So the first piece of advice that I always give someone is take a deep breath. Although it's incredibly stressful and probably one of the hardest days of that person's life, it's not the end. The first steps that someone needs to do is sit down and talk to their loved ones, because the worst thing that you can do in this kind of situation is try to go it alone. Pretend like it's not happening, and use the ostrich effect. As I like to say, put your head in the sand. The second step I always tell people is find the fighter in your corner that you believe in. Oftentimes in this process, the single most important decision that someone gets to make is who they hire to stand shoulder to shoulder with them as they're trying to get out from these terrible situations. And the third piece of advice that I always give people when they get into these types of situations is just remember, your family and your life will go on. This is not the end. And if you choose the right people and you make the right decisions, you will be able to navigate out of this storm.
Contacting a federal attorney can probably be a scary thing for a lot of people. How are you bringing them peace of mind?
Well, the thing that we really pride ourselves on is being empathetic listeners. And so from day one, our goal is to make sure when we are defending someone and fighting for their life, that we make sure the attorney's ego is not as much the enemy as the government is. And I say that to say a lot of people in my profession have a tendency to try to be not only the captain, but the master of the ship. And so the most important skill that we bring to the table is being able to sit down, look our clients in the eye, and candidly just listen, because you will learn more from listening to your clients about the best way to get them out of these problems than you ever could from any amount of legal training or seminars that you could take.
Great advice. Thank you so much.
Thank you.